Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 19 of Affiliate Marketing for Digital Products. So, today our topic is going to be all about Instagram social media platform. Okay, so yeah, let's get to understand first why should we ask someone to follow us on Instagram, or why is it really important that we focus on our Instagram platform. Let's understand a major crowd of the age group approx from 16 to 28 approximately is mostly always on Instagram, and we definitely don't want to miss out this audience who are on Instagram. Okay, so as per personal likings, people do choose their personal platforms, social media platforms, and yeah, we have to try to expand ourselves as far as possible. I will never recommend you all to go into all social media platform unless you are able to be consistent and dedicated towards it. Okay, so if you have more of manpower and everything, definitely go for it. But yes, if you are working from home single handedly, then choose the right platforms for you. Make sure you know who is your target audience, and based on your target audience, choose the right audience, right social media platform which is best for you, giving you maximum leads, and just go for it. So, how Instagram is different from Facebook or LinkedIn, and what type of post goes into Instagram is what we'll be looking today. When we talk about Instagram, it's very important that firstly we understand who are using Instagram. Secondly, we understand what are the purpose of Instagram. Sorry, doing lot of things from users point of view is going to help us to grow onto Instagram, right? So what are they actually expecting? They really whoever is using Instagram, they prefer to scroll on faster basis. So one of the thing that you need to make sure, whatever you are posting on Instagram needs to be really very catchy. Okay, if it is catchy, they land up into your profile. Once they land up into your profile, you need to have that a beautiful sense that you need to give it to them. The beautiful your presence should be so uh, I'll say attractive that they need to be forced to follow you. Okay, that's very important. You need to have your complete profile updated, all images for DP and everything. It needs to be uploaded. You cannot use images which are of low quality. However, yes, most of the people, in fact, everyone generally uses Instagram over mobile. So make sure those images resolutions from mobile perspective are good enough to have a look. Okay. Uh, in Instagram, it definitely works if you have a color theme. Okay, you need to have a color theme decided based on which you can send across multiple posts. So if you have a color theme, your profile comparatively looks more disciplined, organized, and yes, it is more appealing that people start following you. Hashtags for Instagram are comparatively different, so use the right platform to know the right hashtags for Instagram. Okay, don't randomly have the same hashtags for all social media platform. Use relevant hashtags. Get involved into various communities which are there onto Instagram where you feel that your leads are there. Okay, so get involved there and see a lot of discussions happening. Involved, get when I say involved, it just does not mean just get added into it and stay quiet. It is not going to give you any much of the benefit. You need to make sure that you are in highly involved in terms of talking, discussions, comments. Follow others and they will also follow you. However, do not use the hashtags something like follow, like to like. Trust me, it's not going to work for your long term perspective. Even if it works, it is just going to give you those leads which may not be of any use to you. So these are wrong approaches which currently is a boom in market. And we can have just 25 followers, but those 25 needs to be quality followers. So make sure that you don't use such hashtags where you say comment, like, follow to follow. No, it's a big no. I will never recommend you all to go into that aspect. Like Facebook, even Instagram gives you the insights. Learn and use this particular option. It is definitely going to help you to understand who are your followers, what is their age group, what is their location. So based on that, you can definitely then work more better towards your content. So just to give you a small example, these are two different type of Instagram posts that I've simply created. Each one has six images. All these images I've taken from Canva randomly. Okay, it has no meaning from content perspective as of now, but just giving you a look and feel option. If you see the first one, it has the color scheme, color code. Okay, at the same time, I made sure if something is very completely colorful, they are not just one below the other. So accordingly, I have pasted them or posted them in different zones. In second one, we have all with different colors. From disciplined point of view, both are correct. Nothing wrong in that. But if you see from attraction point of view, definitely the first one, because of the color themes and all, it becomes more attractive. Okay, so that is the reason it looks like you have strategized something, and you have taken a proper approach after a thought process. So definitely I recommend that when you go on Instagram, you are very careful on this part. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, so yes, go on for Instagram. Don't look back. We need at least Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. These are the social media platforms where our presence is become a must. Go for it, give a try, and if stuck, do comment. I'll be happy to guide you in any possible ways. Okay, so good luck and stay safe. See you tomorrow.